Hello, hello. Hi everyone. Good morning, guys. Today walking time, everybody. The my kiddos is already in the school, so I have to go walking, everyone. Kaya the sun is not so strong for everybody. It's not so strong, so I have to go. Kaya when it's so strong, I have a couple liter, everyone. It's couple ako now, everybody. That's why I have to go a little bit early. Lusyon sa tagamay, everyone, para sa nawong kay in. So very strong later, sun is very strong, so I have to go now. Nawong rebutangan everybody. Later I wear other blouse and the short, yeah. Kay when I go outing, I have to wear like this because the sun will like my skin. Sun allergy I have, that's why I have to take care, yeah. It's time to go now, everyone. 1 hour over, everybody. 1 hour over, it's enough for me, yeah. Yeah, it's very nice to go walking, everyone, yeah. Guys, samahan niyo po ako, guys. Mag-walking po tayo, everyone. Mag-walking po tayo, guys. Para pawa sa boring ba. Kaya na. The sun will be strong, coming strong, yeah. That's why I have to go now. I have to go now, everybody. Kaya kapuyan ang sun is very strong. Oh, yeah. It's okay na for me, but I have allergy. Sun allergy I have. Magkuan sa ta, everyone, mag-perfume sa ta. Ay, yun mawa ng perfume. Mag-out tayo mawa ng perfume. Ayun ang perfume niya. So, let's go. We go together, everybody. Para rin mapagtong atong nawong. Kabiran like that. It's not the round. It's not the round. Everyone just only like this cover a piece that. Cover my piece because the sun later is direct in my piece. Yeah. I have to take care, everybody. Yeah. Let's go together to rock and roll. Don't off mic, ha? Kaya na. Backjab dito ani. Kung mag-off niya, kung mic ka, mabackjab yung Lisa. Sao na lang eh. Kanire kung isuot, everybody, kay comfortable. Like, I have many, but I like this one because is a little bit cold. This one is a little bit cold. Yeah. The other one is very hot. Yeah. We have to be refreshing mind today. Mag-wear sa Lisa o shoes. Yeah. Nothing to do today. Later I will watering the plant in the front because the grass is getting patay my grass because of the sun is very strong. Yeah. Let's go, everybody. Let's go together to rock and roll. We have to go now early in the morning, but later the sun will be very, very strong. The sun later, yeah. So we have to check, everyone, the kitchen is off or not, lock or not. 8:30, you have to go, everyone. 8:30 na. Then before 10 I am here. Let's go. Let's go together to rock and roll. Let's go, everyone. Please enjoy. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and share. And also to my Facebook page, everyone. Please. Please, everybody. Guys, I have to go now. We go together, everyone. It's very boring in the house. Yeah. So, let's go. My power bank is no more, ito na pala ito. My power bank is not in power. Naguba. I don't know. The whole night I charge, but it's not in, no more green, no more red. I don't know. is not in function. It's not in function. That mak mir kapuya. Mi kaput with me. Tired. So let's go everyone. Let's go together. I like to go this side, the river. River is my best place is the river. Let's go. Go together. Let's see. Ahoy. Like that everybody. The wind is the the wind is the cold. Uy. Uy. The wind is cold everyone. Kailangan mo itong kabiran na itong liog. Tugnaw man ang kuan. Uy, hangin. Uy. Tugnaw. Uy, yan ito. Tugnaw ka diya. 8:30 everybody. Today. The time is 8:30 in the morning. And the morning everybody. Mag-round tayo everyone. Round tayo. Maayor yung kakot ko ani ako mag-blouse. Nay the wind is the ang hangin tugnaw man uy. Tugnaw. Liter volume ang adlaw liter ya. The sun will be strong ya. Ganyan to everybody. Kailangan po tayo mo body kay kapoy marang maglingkod kas balay yung okay trabahoon. Pero I have a work in the house everyone. The work is waiting with me. waiting with me. Walang katapusan ang trabaho sa bahay. Mga my loves, wala. Mini or katagras kay tumuro sa truck of the sa mga malata ba, sa mga sagbot grass. Yeah. Go this side everybody. Kindergarten school. The peoples from municipal will be cutting the grass. Yeah. Cut the grass. But no, we do not go to this side. We go this side. Maybe I like to go upstairs everyone. Muhangak po ko ani mahadlok kung kustaas everybody. Ako ra usa sa Paris uy. Down na tingali tayo everybody. Uy down. My husband said, go. I do not go alone. Uy. Dili ko maadto alone rin na. Dito sa Paris kay okay raw duha mo tulo upat. Na ako raw usara. I'm alone. I don't like. Very quiet here everybody. Uy. In my peace everyone kay very refreshing mind para Lisa today morning. In my peace ar makita ko ninyo ba ug unsa ko dire oh. Ana sa ta. Like this. I think that is the friend of my mother. My mother-in-law, they will go upstairs na. I do not worry, very talkative that eh. Matuking na po di, I don't like. She go na walking upstairs. She go walking upstairs, yeah. Downstairs, yeah. Downstairs. Very quiet, everyone. Very quiet. It's nice to go this side and then there. I don't know where I have to go, this side or the other side. Okay. Dali dali ta kay magawas ni adlaw kadakong problema. O si haring adlaw mo out. Maybe we go upstairs everyone or no, I don't like upstairs. Ay kapoy. Here on the house na is nice ya. Direction river ya. Direction the river. Mapagtong dito nagsamot uni ay gawas ni. Haring adlaw kada si haring adlaw still ba dira. Hiding is hiding pa. But later on bully na later. My daughter have a trip today. I prepare ya. She bring the rice ya. Rice is life. She bring the rice ya. I said yeah, okay. Rice and the one stick of the meat ya. Meat in the grill. So let's see. Look everyone. The playing area of the kiddos ya children. The children now is in the school. In the school, the kiddos ya the children. That's why is nobody is there. Nobody. Later parat ya. Kay mini kinder now he's in the trip. In the special trip. My son also in the Huibis ug Biyernes. My son also ya. Donnerstag on Freitag. Thursday and Friday. My son will be also ya. Yeah. Very big here playground everyone. Oh, you can play there. Oh yeah. No? Parents and children will go there for playing. Ah, look, oh, playing ya. Ay, tara na po construction dito. The other side there is man also. So what I have to do? I have to do it yeah. I have to go there straight yeah. Direction river. Direction river ko tayo everyone. Grabe kadaghan ng construction. Daghan mo sila kwarta everyone. Oy. It has a lot of money. That's why it has a lot of budget. It's not like me. I don't have a lot of budget, no. I have to go for walking. Many things to do everybody. Dali-dali ta kayo very noisy. Noisy everyone. Kailangan po tayo dali-dali everyone. Dali-dali means snell ya. Snell. Pas-pas ya. Kay kakalkal. Kakalkal sa manoy sa yuta. To go this other side everybody ka. I like to be in the walking here. Nah, brand new apartment everyone. Brand new. Nah. Mahal na to kay brand new man ako. Mahal. Mahal is 2 year everyone in Deutsch. In German is so 2 year. So 2 year ya. Very quiet. Oy. Different here everybody is not like in Pinas. Oy. Kaya as Lisa mag-refreshing mind. Oy. Kailangan tayo magawas. Oy. Lumabas ng bahay. Hindi ka lumabas ng bahay. Puti yun ang buhok. Magputi yung samot ang hair. Kailangan kita tayo refreshing mind. Mag-refreshing mind to everybody kay It's not an easy. Far away to the family is not easy. Walang family si Lisa dito. May pagkumangkon po ako everyone. Pero everyday work. Gabi na uwi. Everyday work. 2 months in the house. Then he transfer to the near of the office in his work because in the house is a little bit far until there 1 hour until there without to tired na dudong pero ang tuson sa niya kay he's not ready pa man the apartment of him is not ready anybody still pa inside soon is ready na soon August 1 transfer siya August 1 kailangan pa ng paluapon para nako kay uya no kay ako rin tao dire wala laing makatabang may neighbor nga to wala may save mi hadlo may neighbor maybe she go in Lidl there is a sukat Lidl everyone in the bridge maybe she will go in Lidl electro bike siya I have also not very strong I'm scared to pull down Lisa agoroy ay Diyos ko very strong okay scooter kaya scooter is not so but is even for me is very strong na kindergarten very quiet my daughter today have a trip the other kinder also have a trip ulog kindergarten walking kindergarten student walking now in the forest I think that is the style everyone when it's good weather they will put out in the school because when it's winter inside only in the school that's why okay make me construction everybody look next year pilis na next year I think look ay just ko got apartment more and more apartment look at that so many Diyos ko ayaw ko ng apartment everyone kay sus di ka kapag gusto luto everybody lami dyan na kay kaugalingong balay kay di man takapritog buwad ang apartment suko man ang atong mga kauban sa apartment kay baho man baho not allowed kaya mabuti nga one house jud kapag gusto tagluto everyone agoy agoroy my god very noisy now dali ta dali ta everyone noisy very noisy is manoy paandar pus manoy bau siya nga sa time here everybody is gold kailangan yung trabaho nilaya na lain-lain ang araw si Lisa yesterday we are to the other side everyone now we are here na we are here now one round lemik after at bubak na kailangan yung tayong mag-moves body kay agoroy Diyos ko Mga anak na ko na ay mga trip akong mga anak. Karong trabaho akong anak today ha, fully. Anak akong lalaki. About the what kind of work he has to select. He has to select what kind of work he like. Yeah. Apartment to sort everyone. Oh. The other apartment is finished. The next is the. But yeah. That is the doctor. Oh, Arts is the doctor. Yeah. Arts is the doctor. My doctor is not here. Friday, I have to go badin again. Dentist again. Sus kapuya. Ay. Dentist again. Eh. Mana kinahanglam. Yun na mag-alaga niya itong teeth. Bayad na naman. Ay. Diyos ko. Di mahuman ang bayad. Uy, babil. Electro truty. Brother of Yeshua, I think that Chinese man. Chinese. We try here, everyone. It's always we have to try here. We try here. The traffic is there, the traffic. You don't have to go to the road. Just only here. Ay, very nice. The wind a little bit cold, yeah. Very fresh. Very fresh, yeah. I hope there is the way, okay? Dirita here. Playing area again. Playground. For the people who wanna live here, yeah. Kailangan din may playground niya. Para sa mga bata. Very boring everybody. Very quiet. Ang giparadaan to kuan akong ilisan kay sos ug mahumod. Magduwa og tubig ra ba sila magduwa. Magduwa sila og tubig ini kumalag pangaon. Dad anto na ko pero kalimot ko para og panty oy. Sao naman to eh. Blouse man og short mo pada. Hasta walay medyas to, panty og medyas para ipurgat ka. Hasta bra it's okay. It's not so long. I said you have to take care always your look to your teacher what the teacher said yeah. Yeah mama. Kay always yeah mama that always. Traffic upstairs everyone. Always yeah mama yeah. My son will be parent also here everyone. My son also will be pass here, drive here, yeah. Direct to the building he will go. Yeah. Direct to the building where he will go, yeah. Ay, when we see upstairs, the traffic is there, yeah. Ah, that is the building over there. Straight here, everyone. So my son will go working over there. Yeah. I do not go there. Yeah, there is a German store, Lidl. I do not go there. My neighbor, I think she go in Lidl because she pass here, yeah. I do not walking only. I'm only walking everyone. We have to go here, everybody. There. Ah, that is the area of the football, everybody. Oh, you can play here. Oh, football. Many look go walking. There is that. It's nice when we go walking in the morning. In the morning. Ah, basketball area. Football area there and here also. But special here. You can play that no problem. Yeah. Three ladies is walking over there. Oh. We are in the back. Yeah. We are in the back of the ladies. Yeah. Three girls walking over there. For me, it's better in the early in the morning walking. Kay agoy, when the sun will go up later. Ay, kapuya. You have to take care. Yeah. We make only one round. Everyone will go back. Yeah. One round only. Then I have to go back. 26 minutes away area. 26 minutes to lit. Yeah. I can learn to rock, but 25 minutes to lit. Yeah. Ay, I don't know. I like it always in the river. Yeah. River, I like everybody. My favorite is the river. Yeah. Water. Water po tayo. Yeah. Nice garden. No? We passed also yesterday here. Everyone. We passed also. Yeah. Because I like it very quiet here. Very quiet. Yeah. Ay, may riwa ko mag-blouse. Mubo og short. Mubo kaya goroy ang hangin. It's getting cold man. Oy. It's getting cold. Dapat yun mag-correct. Yeah. Diri ta river ta. River ta everybody. Like to go there. Oh. Ah, train over there everyone. Oh, train. Going to Zurich. That's Zurich. Mag-exercise pa ko later sa balay everyone. Garden. I have to give water. Yeah. There is a water for free everyone here in the front of my house. Yeah. I have to give water here. Yeah. Water. I get the water for free. Yeah. Hindi kaayo body jud oy og mag-exercise kay murag papil atong lawas mo tag mapalid. Pero wala gani exercise everyone naggoy ang lawas bugata. Bugat jud. Nahanglan jud ta mag-exercise. Ay. Ay, Diyos ko God. Kailang antos lang tayo. Tiis lang. Ana man jud ni. Ana man jud life tiis ya. Very quiet everybody. Oh. Very quiet. I do not go there, just only here. How I don't know. I like it here in the river. I like it. That is my favorite area here. My favorite. Okay, everyone. Very noisy there, the road of the fish. There is the way for the fish, everyone. Over there. It's noisy there. We do not go there. Yeah. Just only here. Only here, everybody we go. this way. There is the bridge you can go, but you have to go to the other side, Lidilia. That is for to the other side, everyone, to go there and waiting in it. My son is working over there, in the back of the trees. There is the building there. Whole day today, 5 o'clock, na go home, 6 o'clock na in the house na. Whole day today. Very nice beside the river, everybody. Oh. Very quiet, yeah. The man walking to the man. The mini birds there, or Africa birds, yeah. The Africa birds. Very noisy. I don't know, I like it here beside the river. That is my favorite area here. I don't like in the forest. It's okay in the forest if I'm not alone. I'm alone. I don't like. There is the wild animals there. It's very nice here, everyone. Oh, look. So nice, yeah. Di na lang tamo pungko, everybody. I have to go direct back in the house to one round, yeah. Go to the Banhop, main hop, yeah. Go back in the house. I don't like to go to the wild ducks there downstairs because they don't have bread. I don't have a bread. Disturbing everybody, oh, the trees. So we have to make it like that, yeah. The tree is disturbing, yeah. Weird trees, yeah. What kind of flowers now? Very nice, oh. Both of my husband is there. Look, oh, very nice, the flowers, yeah. White. So nice. Very nice in nature, everybody. The nature is wonderful, yeah. Beautiful. Bahong ihi na here, oh. Anybody will make ihi here. Wala mo CR. Na CR, oh, there, oh. There is a CR mo, everyone. Oh, I pass already, but I don't like my eye to use, everyone. I don't like. I like in the house only. Kaya baho na. Baho. I make already in the house. Ngihit puraan everybody, oh. Before I go out. Kaya dili pwede pug nga nang ihi. Makakidney, makadaot ya. Kailangan yan ipagawas. Ipaningot na ko do. Very nice na may bakis. It's getting wet na. Pero getting dry ra na. Getting dry ra. Mo may usas makaubok. Nahanglan saan mag-ilis. Okay, as Lisa here, everyone. Under a tree. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, everybody. Para that you are updated for the next vlog. Please subscribe, like, and share. It's open there, I think it's open. A boat, anybody drive boat there. It's open. There is a student here. Nah, starting already the student here. That's why there is a 3 ladies I saw. We will go with a boat, not a long boat here. Student that here. We have to make quickly here, everybody. Quick. Nah. We are here last time, everyone. Here, we are here. They will go away now already. Away now. We didn't saw. The boys only, I heard. They go away already. Learning how to drive in the back position, everyone. It's not easy, everybody. It's not an easy that you have to drive in the back position. For me, it's better in front position. It's a train. The other side. Here is the train, everyone, to the other side. That's why I come here. Kaya the dog, two pieces, very big. I coming. Paakan, palataan na. Gana bang tattoo ang bayano? Ako Naghanang tattoo niya, buntis pa, di ba kami ipitahan ng bata, ang baby. Diyos ko. Sakit kaya ni mulawa sa imuhan ng tatuan o niya. Napakay gidal lang sa akong na. Iyahar po na, no? May lain budta to, lamas kinabuhi. Ay, Diyos ko, God. Mawa, yun akong kaburing, umuguking ko diri sa river, Mawa. Kaya sa ato, tas balay mo, huna, tas atuan, sao naman, Nga, ang gilinog na amar ko na huna sa gilinog. Kung huna, raaras pamilya. Ngayon, sao man na audit ta mugawas, inhangloy ta, ani mugawas para malipayon ta, little bit ba. Hindi mo silbi ulit na mag-refreshing mind. Sakit itong ulo. Mo na ingon kung ba nangagawas ka din, mugawas ka kayo, you have to make, you do something, That's why I said, I have to do something, Then I have to make, continue the work in the house, when I'm back. Ay, last time duha ka basket akong giutaw, relax as Lisa, na anak yung mga bulingon, adto na nalabahan akong bulingon sa Friday, everyone. Or Saturday, everyone. Friday is birthday. My husband, I have a termin, also appointment. My teeth appointment I have, Look, very nice here, I'm very, very happy if I am here, beside in the water, in the river. I am very happy. Co-op store, everyone, the building over there. Co-op store, shopping center, My husband is not in Bitingin today. He is in the Burinlingin, A little bit para he is, He's not here. Over there is already Bitingin, everyone, He's not here. He will go to the other place, He is working, I hope in Friday he has a home office. He has a birthday in Friday, I don't know. Huibis pa ko mag-go outing, everyone, for I have to buy something for my husband in his birthday. I have to buy a gift. Because he said to me, I don't have to buy. I said no. Just only he will buy for me. He doesn't. I have to buy for him as well. Simple only, everyone. One only a perfume enough na happy na siya na Perfume mahalon lang ba? Na dagko nga boss. Mahal ba yung dagko nga boss, everyone? 100 franc over na. Sa haon mo ingon siya ayor kung paliti siya. Useless kay ako rin imong palitan. Let's go, everybody. I'm very happy, everyone. I can see it there. There, nice, like a beach, everyone. Very nice, So nice, It's open one, that's why I will go inside. If it's not open for everybody, I do not come inside. It's open, so we have to go slowly, everyone. Go back slowly, Lisa, in the house, go back. Kaya later, the sun is very strong. Today is more strong than yesterday. Today is more strong, the sun today. Yesterday is 24 degrees, and today is 26 or 27, like that. But I'm happy kasi haring adlaw, hiding pa little bit, hiding. Later, go up na later. So it's time to go on, everybody. Go back in the house slowly. 1 hour over, everyone, we go walking. For me, it's enough. Over 1 hour, yeah. Nice also there, but we do not go there. Kaya maslide, tadi hama ito tatugpat sa suter. Maslide, iya tadi ng daghang pinong bato. Ito ta suter paingon. Not allowed. Mahumud ta na. Building of the workers, everyone. Very big. Very big. Manang, dadag iros manang. Exercise juga ada dog kay. Hindi mo imuhang triningon mo dog, di man mo palo nimo. Nahanglan man siya nga triningon. Ingon ka pungko, sit down to na. Training mo na. Some dogs, there is no more training, but here in Switzerland, everyone is training just always, yeah. Have a training of the dog, the school of the dog have. Now we are here beside the river, everybody. The problem, guys, is the trees, yeah. Disturbing with the tree. Diyos ko, God. Ano man yung saba? Ay, autoban. Look, oh, what a nice look, oh. Very nice. Very nice the place there, oh. So nice, everyone, yeah. The water is green. The water is green, yeah. I hope di mapawong nga ako ang mic. Oy, kay very quick, I charge everybody. Oy, 30 minutes, I think. Normally, is 5 hours is one. I hope di ni makatuop. Ay, don't cut up dyan ha, kay balik na sa balay. Balik na ta. Balik na sa balay. Nahinay. I'm happy because the sun is still hiding, yeah. So I think this week is 30 degree over, everybody. Agoy, guys, very init na for me, oy. I have to go out today in the 8 o'clock when my kiddos go to the school. Kay, agoy, 34 degree, 35, 36. Almost 40 degree na. Okay. My skin, nawa na. Mga apple, lisa na. Alangan magsuot tag roboter nga clothes. Di na pwede ay pati inita na oy. Imbes on ta summer diri magpasiksis lisa, magpahubag. Hugong sa edad ang problema na to, everybody, kay di man ko kapasiksi. Kay ang sun diri kay he loves my skin man. My doctor said he likes my skin. Kuya. You love my skin, yeah, you like with me. I see the sun will hate me. Say to me, like the sun will like with you, loves to your skin. They like with you. That's why I say to my doctor, gave me the medicine for that. Very strong, my lotion, for the sun, yeah. Under the bridge, we are, everybody, oh. Under the bridge, we are not long here, kay very noisy. The traffic, all the traffic is upstairs, yeah. All the traffic is upstairs. Yeah. We have to go back slowly, everyone. Okay. The sun is still there, yeah. Still in hiding. Okay, very traffic upstairs, very noisy. Many trucks there, so many trucks there, yeah. So, but na like that, very disturbing tree, oy. Banhop rata everyone, banhop din gubak. May ka shortcut ya. Di na ko maadto sa ubos everyone. Kaya wala ko idang pan sa mga wild ducks. Dali-dali sa kay parang di initan. Iso nang mabuwat ang init. Ngatro ko. Diri ako magka-problema sa ato wala man oy. Daghan maganahan sa tong padit diri ang problema kay di kami tagapasiksian ni. Pakigol ang tataan ni. Saan man na pagpakigol. Ay. So, mag-refreshing mind sa tadiri everybody oh. Enjoy it everyone. Enjoy sa tahir. Look. So, all the traffic is there. Co-op da. Post office da. Yellow. Atraskan is there also truck. Atraskan. Transport. So many there. That is for all the halls. Holstein. So many will be for all that everyone. That road is for all. You can go anywhere. Yeah. To the Litland, Poland, like that. Netherlands. You can go that everyone that road. Yeah. Italy, Germany, Austria, all everybody they will that is the transfer to the other place. Now we are there everyone. So now we have to go back now here this side. Bye bye Bruna. Bruna is there. The other side is Bruno. Bruna and Bruno yeah. When yun. We have to make like that everyone guys. This is the other coming here. Look oh. Very nice yeah. Beautiful. Very nice everyone yeah. Very nice. Very quiet everybody yeah. We have to go slowly everyone yeah. Ay apa si Lisa di magawa si Adlaw kay si Haring Adlaw magawa sa ari dari paingon sa akong nawong. Karon wala pay katul akong nawong basta mas adlawan ko makatul. Makati. Sa Tagalog pa Makati. Makati ang naong ni Lisa oy. Ang Tagalog Makati. Kuya. Ay, praise the Lord kay gikat na nila oh, grass a little bit. Kay pagkasagbuta eh. Cut na. This side. Para manustahan sa gula na kana. Dali ta ka makapirahit ita. Sila bis manoy ka pa music manoy. Ka music manoy. Dali ta. Sugar ba yung music? Buyag ka rin oy. Pasas di sa dali-dali oy kay it's not allowed no oy. Magani ko magpa-music siya yung pa-music ko suga. Just pass and Lisa very quick only everyone eh. Make it nail. Look oh. Ana everyone oh para sagol mo na spa everybody oh. Nuts. Sagol ka pan. Magbuhat og bread. Last time when we are walking, it doesn't cut, but the grass now cut. Very clean. Very clean. That is for animals, everyone. The owner of the land will clean that. Yeah. They get the grass and they will put that to give to the animals. Yeah. Yeah. Sa mas manoy fuga man iyang tukar eh. Ay. Diyos ko. Ay. I have to make it para my microphone is working or not. Kay maybe we will sing, I don't know. Hi everybody. Long time na I do not sing. Magsilbing musing tar mayabag pala mata everyone na ni. May pa pasayaw na lamang ko kasi singing. I know how to sing but mayabag uya ta masus Ginoo ko. Mga tagak ng mga tiki. Trender. Oh. The trender over there. Will go na. They will go anywhere. Tennis area everyone. Oh, tennis. If you like to be a member of the tennis there, you can go. But it's not for free. Bayad. Bayad na bayad. Hi everyone. We don't have to go to the other side na direction to the house na we are. It's much more far to the there. Don't have a bread for the wild ducks. So we go out in the river everybody. Look oh. Halo-halo, retras kan halo-halo. Nah, you can see it here everyone oh. Very quiet. The river is there. We have to go back in the house everyone. I have to go back na. 60 minutes na almost ya. Banho pa there everyone oh, yun hope. Playground again. For kiddos ya. Very nice and it's cleaning here around. It's not a jungle. Very nice ya. Go slowly and just Lisa walking back to the house kaya da. Okay, the sun is almost na jud ya. Almost go out na. Yeah. Slowly na jud ko, slowly na jud walking Lisa ya. Kay maabtan niya tang haring adlaw ani, yung haring adlaw to be very strong ba? Very strong. Nah, here is the Banhop everyone. Guys, train station. Our house a little bit up ya. The train station. Nice, oh. Nice flowers. The train is coming, everybody. Oh. The train is coming. That is the train going to Zurich. Nah, they will stop. Na-timingan pa dito, everyone. Oh. Train. Going to Zurich, that's Zurich. Wapay, tama-timing is ibabaw na pa dito, ubos. SBB, S12, 12. Mini student walking the river, everyone. Oh, nice weather, man. Uy, the driver of the train, uy, is the girl. The girl, the driver of the train, everyone. Girls, yeah. But there is the man beside, yeah. The boy. They like the airplane that there is assistant, yeah. We'll go na. Zurich. By train. See you next time again. See you again. We'll go na everyone. Train. Koy, kadaku ang truck eh. Sama na i-deliver na eh. Yeah. I deliver fruits of the building of the old. They deliver fruits, yeah, fruits. Hello, many student everyone. Oh. Many student, yeah. Hallo, Kinat. Was? Nee, ik moest eens weg. Ciao. Ade. That is the train station, everybody. Yeah. Train station that here. Running na lumba man sila running ng mga student. Dili ta mag-video kay ingnan ko atong laki nga. Ipapaw, ipapawong, ipapawong raw kung video ikabi. I said no. Sure not. May, wala mo kukunin niyo mag-video. Labay raman ko. Ta. Ay, go back ako the house everyone. Ay. Go back now. Nobody is here. Yeah. Look everybody, ora, camera da. The camera. There is a camera for if anybody will be very strong parent pa drive auto out. There is penalty. There is a penalty. Yeah. Ay, hiding ang camera, hiding pa kabarait tali mga pulis eh. Pulis nga butang na. Hiding pa kabarait ta. I said no, I have to go away. Okay, ciao. Hindi na sila pwede everyone. Imuha na silang videohan kay nasuko man na sila good. Nasuko bawal mananghit pa na sila silang parents okay ba? Some people like, some people no. They doesn't like some. Okay. It's not the same. It's not the same. So, little bit far pa ko eh. Okay. Sana maroon ay bulan maroon eh. Autobahn. Ambulance ya. Maybe there is accident everyone, I don't know. There is ambulance ya. Hello everybody, we pass good here in the area of the battle. White, green, and brown. We was yesterday here, last time here. That is the area of the throwaway battle glass ya. So, slowly go back at how okay. Ako eh. Kami ngayon ang sun go out ya. Very nice, it's still shadow ya. Look at that, oh, the light, oh. You cannot see the light because of the plant. The plant will cover the light. Going back to the house na. 10 minutes I think until we are in the house. How many minutes we are here? Wala pa 60 minutes. Wala pa. Almost. Almost everyone yeah. Okay, train is there again. Very quiet here, everybody. Very quiet. The house. That is a brand new house. Yeah. You have to go back now in the house everyone. Very nice the rose there. The roses, yeah. Ah, the stone there, heart stone. So everybody heart stone. Very nice. Oh. The heart stone, yeah. Go back in the house everyone. Ay, sabaa ako ni Manoy hato do. Sabaa man siya eh. Sudlanan mo to siya sa kuan everyone. Sudlanan abpal ka na. Ginuba pa sa building. Antong to nila isod. Go back tayo in the house everybody eh. Nang laylay na kong tiil. Laylay na ang patiis Lisa. Put. May post siya. Yeah. New building ulok oh. That is a new building everyone. New building. The body is inside na. Yeah. 10 o'clock. I don't know what is the time. Ding dong pa na eh. Ding dong ah. Go back at everybody eh. Go back at go back in the house Lori ah. I'm very happy because the sun is not yet yeah. Kuya, when the sun will go out very strong agay. Makati ang nawong eh. Huwag man isira yung auto. Open na auto niya. Dapat isira. Ikaw. Nah. For free water everyone oh. For free. Go back to everybody in the house yeah. In 5 minutes. In 5 minutes we are in the house na yeah. Ay. Diyos ko. 1 hour na over ya. 1 hour. Tuli ang nangyayari everybody eh. Tired is Lisa eh. I'm tired na. Sa house na. Anak bari neighborhood. Nah, water everyone. That is for pray this thing that in the house. This water is in the house. That is good for watering plant, everyone. That is good for drinking direct here in the direct here sa agas ya. Ay, may lahi na eh. Nasugod na kaguba ang mga bloomer. Yan na si flower. Sugod na siya. Let's see. Anong ito gadam to payo mo si Manang. O, hindi man muuwan to di eh. Marihat mo to di. Gadam mo payo. I hope it's not raining today. May dutir is kalo rabat may dutir. Hope it's not raining. We are almost in the house, everyone. Let's go, guys. The house, yeah. Maybe it's 3 minutes more. Yeah. Three minutes more, I think, everybody. So, nah, almost na. We are now in front of the house. Very quiet, guys. Here is the style nila. Our neighbor horse. Yeah. Horse. Yeah. Yeah, we are in the house, everyone. I'm back, everybody. Oh, I'm back. Back to the house. Back to the house, everyone. And off the mailbox of my sold. Empty. Empty. Mailbox empty. Yeah. Thank you, Lord. I'm back already, Lord. Yeah. Yeah. 1 hour and 8 minutes, everybody. 1 hour and 8 minutes, yeah. I can make it upload to everyone. Oh yeah, upload, download, everybody. It's not easy. Tired. So tired, download, upload, yeah. Hey, thank you, Lord. I'm here in the house, Lord. Praise the Lord. Hallelujah, God. I'm here now. So, ano yung ilaki, everyone, kay sa... Ay, patas ano gamay, everybody. Ay, grabe init ta. Shadow pa outside, everyone. The sun, it will be coming to go out, yeah. I'm very happy because the sun is not so strong. Nang hapdos na akong nawong a little bit, yeah. Yeah, Diyos ko, God. Take off na natong shoes, everyone, yeah. Take off the shoes, guys, and then I have to drink, and then I have to relax a little bit. Then I have to do my work. Yeah. I have to do it, everybody. Diyos ko. Tuan ning paubsan, everyone, yeah. Yeah. Mag-relax sa ta little bit, eh. Di na pwede mag-stress ta, grabe. Na, agkoy, the sun will go out to everybody, or loko. Agkoy, getting strong the sana, ya. My idea is very correct, ya. I have to go out when the children is go out as well in the school. That is better, ya. Drink the water, everybody. Mag-cheers, cheers, ya. Kay katol jud ang my piece is very jud katol everyone. Katol guys. If I have a direct in the sun. The sun will go out slowly. 1 hour and 11 minutes we are, but is the almost 10 o'clock na, almost. Dali aras time. Time is gold. The time is gold, but dali aras oras everybody. Ay. Grabe. Cheers everyone. Ay. Wala na panghinaw sa Lisa drink na diretso. Wala ang ko laing gihawiran everyone, just only naman may camera naman. Ay, Diyos ko. Pasan lagi speaker lagi. Needs more and more exercise every day, everybody. Today I have to cook fish. Fish today. I like fish. Even fish every day I will like fish. The problem is ako ang mga anak di kay ganahan. May problema nako. Ako anak bayi kaon siya, ako anak laki gamay ra. I have tuna fish without bones. I have to make in the grill. My husband like in the grill, doesn't like in the soup. Me and my daughter like in the soup. I like the soup, fish soup. But my husband doesn't like. Like in the grill. It doesn't matter for me, no problem. I can cook in the grill. In the grill is nice as well. But it's not overcooked, everyone. Mag-fish, may later mamaya is the fish for dinner. With potatoes. Potato, everybody. Friday, I have to go to the dentist again, kapuya. It's not finished my teeth, everyone. I have to do it, The dentist will do it, And after that, in 3 months, I go back again for cleaning. Sauce, my God. Always should have a bill. The bill is always, Papoy. Very good, kay the sun is starting go out now. I am here in the house, My peace is a little bit okay pa, pero maadlawan ni everyone, na. Mamular ni mapink na ni siya, anha na ni siya mag-ana na Lisa, mag-ana-ana na. Tulkatul. That's why I have to take care, I don't like to go direct in the sun. Sa Pinas, in the Philippines, I don't have problem of the sun. Just only here in Switzerland, we say, because here is very dry. The air here is dry. That's why your skin is getting dry. Panington ka diri pero maugar ra dayon sa mong lawas agkoy that getting stronger sun, getting stronger and stronger. Boring everybody kaya mga kiddos is in the school man everyone. My son will be going in the working today. Just only in the once a week every Tuesday. Whole day. Next year wala na siya summer period, everyone. I don't know. I don't know. He has to concentrate na for working next year. Very quiet everybody here. Different. Di ka makadungog na kapatukar, wala. Pero inig my daughter and my son have a pray, I have to own my karaoke. Ay, bahala na mo silingan suko eh. Na mo silingan na pagka-strictuha, di ganan. Pahinahin yung music diha. Pa-music magani ka. Bahala kay sa akong ako kusog man ako kay Reeboks man ako. Tiber ganin ning akong iyon parting kusuga na. Oy, saong gadiha na mo silingan dito to. Di man lagi siya bubuyag lagi og magpakusog og paandar na ihang music. Among silingan. Ako ra man diri mo iyang arion gitripingan ko niya. Bahala ka oy. Sunod. Iyon na ako kay ingon akong bana. Naa kay Mike mulang na magani koy book sa mga music. Nakasuwat. Pili ra ka unsay number imo harang i-type. Wala pa lang ma-own last year wala na ko i-own kay masuko man ang silingan pero ingon akong bana i-own no problem. Pahibaw ar ko masuko. He has to put cover his ears bitter. I like to be enjoying. Okay, summertime. The children is the no school. I feel boring. So bitter. I have to sing a little bit. Yeah. So ko siya. Na diha ko gawas gapong ko gani gapa music ko sa ko ang cellphone. Ingnan ko niya nga pahinahin na imuhang tukar na. Gapa music mga ni siya ag ako pa. Bahala ro kadiha. Yahay nita. Paets. Tigulit magod. Wa di kasabot ba. Pero ang silingan eh mga music non-stop music di yun na siya mulikramo. Diri na siya nako mulikramo. Mahala ori kadiha. Tanaw na nato di ba ko di ra ko pabulyuman everyone ako arang gamiton karirang kuan TV pero dili ra dugayon. Kaya akong mga bata di mo pud ganahan og music oy di ganahan. Di ganahan pero mao makahawid og microphone di na ko kasing siya na ang kung anak ng bayi. Lisod og makasugod. Ganid-an ba nimo pag ulis Pinas pero manhiman pa mao ni makahawid awa na siya na. One time ra ko makasing siya na. Lisod. Magbababay na po ako everybody oy kay mag-ready na ko everyone oy. I have to watering plant in the front of the house. The grass is getting patay. My grass. I have to put some water. My husband said, if you have time, you give some water the grass. Kaya the grass is getting bitter. We do not cut the grass. So, oy, nag-uol akong bana. Kaya namatay among grass at tubangan balay. Oy, very dry. Ingon akong bana, tagaig tubig gamay. Dahil na may tubig sa pasong rin. Baba sa tubangan sa balay. Maora na ako ibis-bis everyone. Bisbisan, masuko akong bana. Kaya nga ano, may payo alam markati ang grass itong sa turdi ay kaya na very dry na paingon nas kamatayon amo ang gunahon ris at tubangan sa balay amo ako asa nang bisbisan everyone kay para makahigop og kuan para mabasa kay over 30 degree ra bambit this week everyone 34 36 35 like that. Magbababay na po ako everybody. Thanks for watching everyone. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. And also to my Facebook page, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. See you for the next vlog. Bye, everyone. Bye.